Hey Baltimore County families, thank you for joining us. I'm Miss Bond.
And I'm Mr. Bond.
And we are the Science Guys of Baltimore.
And today we're going to be learning how to make our very own Vortex generator. Let's watch.
Hey scientists, watch closely. See that ring that's forming right at the bottom? That's called a vortex ring, and it's formed anytime two fluids interact with each other, where one moves quickly like a jet through a still fluid. Now these can be liquids like our water and food coloring, or it can be gases like the air around us.
That's awesome.
Today's experiment, we're going to build something to create our own vortex rings in the air, called a vortex generator. If you'd like to follow along with today's video, here's what you'll need. A sturdy box, plastic wrap, duct tape, pretty duct tape, a Sharpie, and a box cutter, which a responsible adult should be using. Step 1. Trace out a circle onto the front of the box. On the back of the box now, you're going to cut out a square. Go ahead and trace it about an inch away from the side. If you need to use a ruler, this is a great time to practice.
Extra perfectamundo.
Excellent.
Next, you need a responsible adult wielding the box cutter and or scissors.
All you're going to do is cut out our square and our circle on the front. Responsible adults can cut their fingers too.
Be careful, parents.
Now you have a tiny hat.
Okay.
Alright.
I think I'll do it.
Now we need to take some saran wrap. Okay. You hold on to that. And we're going to get quite a bit of saran wrap.
Quite a bit.
Just go ahead and...
What? And she's the responsible adult.
Alright.
I'd be doing this too. Do you want me to spin?
Yeah, spin.
Keep them safe.
Alright.
Now I'm ready to be shipped. I'm gonna do the rest of the video like this.
Great. Now escape and form a perfectly rectangular piece of plastic. Alright. Actually, just make about 5 sheets thick worth of our plastic wrap into a square that's big enough to cover up the hole you made on the back.
Ta-da!
Then all you have to do is duct tape this on.
Quack!
Good ducking. And
How many ducks do you think it takes to make a whole roll of duct tape?
at least 2. Duck? Goose! Alright. And 2 more for the sides. Almost there. We've got to decorate it a little bit though.
You see how you can turn a regular box into something cool and awesome at home? Oh, the other side is fine.
Alright. Now our container's completely empty, right?
Right? Yeah.
Wrong. It's
What?
filled with what?
I don't see anything in there.
Look closer. It's filled with air!
So what's really going on?
Friction between the air molecules and the opening slows down the air on the outside of the jet, which curls back away from the center of the hole. Slower moving air has higher pressure, which stabilizes the ring as it travels through the room. Ready for some target practice? Nice!
Got it. Didn't get that one. There we go.
It's a little hard to aim, because we can't see see air. So let's use some air we can see. Now we've filled our vortex generator up with smoke, so it's going to be a little bit easier to aim this time. You ready?
One more time, shooting practice. Ready?
Nice.
Now we'll let you see the vortices coming out of the front of the vortex generator.
These vortices. The vortex rings are really curling in on each other, and actually the still room air all around us is helping hold that shape as it travels.
Thank you guys for watching the video today. If you want to do more at-home science experiments, check out our website, scienceguysofbaltimore.com.
Thanks for watching.